I'm on my own.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is what we're talking about today. Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette that is bigger than my face. We make this army forest green makeup tutorial with it. I don't know what to call it. I don't know. But anyway, we make this look with it. And if you want to see how this happened, then just keep watching. Here she is. Wow, the reflect is intense. So this piece of paper actually has like all the names on it, so you can't throw it away, which is really annoying. First off, this palette is freaking huge. And one thing that I love about this palette, even before I use it, is that the transition shades, first off, there's a huge range of them. So it's not just one. Second off, they're bigger than any other color because those are the shades that you're gonna be using the most. I'm gonna keep this paper in front of me so I know what shade I'm using. And I'm gonna be taking the transition shade, the second one in, which is Canvas. I just got a bunch of these new brushes. They're cheap, obviously. Yeah, they're super cheap. I think they were like $3. Charlotte Russe, I think. I can't remember. So yes, I'm going to be going in with the shade Canvas. And they don't have names because they're like super fucking cheap. I'm just gonna go in with one of those brushes. Very warm toned. Perfect transition shade. It's actually a lot more darker than it looks. I'm just gonna go back and forth motion. And then even do some like circular motions to really blend that out. And I'm going all the way into the inner and the outer and just blending that everywhere. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the shade Pine. I'm gonna start on the outer corner. Wow. Wow. And really just start blending. And I'm gonna keep this lower than the transition shade, but still bring it up into my crease. It doesn't mix with the orange very well. It's like trying to turn into a yucky brown. This color just needs a lot of blending. I just keep going back between brushes to really try to blend this out. I'm gonna do the same to the other eye quickly and I'll be right back. Now I'm taking a smaller brush, taking the light green shade and putting it in the middle of my eye and blending it into the forest green shade. So we're gonna make sure that we blend, but I'm also gonna make sure that it still stays the color that I want it to be. So we have that lighter green right in the middle, kind of blending into the inner, and we have the darker green on the outside blending into the lighter green. We're going to cut the crease. I'm gonna go over that with the shade Inspire, and I think I'm just gonna go in with my finger. Alright, there we go. Wow. Kind of looks a little Christmassy, but we'll make it work. So they don't really have a light champagne-y shade in this. So I'm gonna go in with the shade So Glam. So I'm really just using like, you can't even see because I'm so zoomed in. Really just using this section right here in the palette. That's actually literally all I've used. And spray some of the e.l.f. primer mist to give her her own moment. Mostly focus it right in that inner corner and then just barely bring it up there. Give her a little wing or whatever. or whatever. I can't even say it like Bourbon does. While that dries, I'm going to be doing the lower lash line, and I'm basically going to be doing everything that I did up top except the shimmer. So let's do it. I'm going to use the Salon Perfect. What is this? Salon Perfect Go Glam. They look kind of crazy, and that's what I want. So I'm gonna go put these on and I'll be right back. Okay, so lashes are on. I love them. Now to finish up the lower lash line, I'm gonna make it a little more darker, and I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Aqua XL Black Kohl Pencil. Put that right in my waterline. I just need some highlight for my brow bone. And for a lip, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the shade Uno Mas. Over top of that, I'm going to use the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Finesse, which is this ultra glittery, gorgeous shade. Wow. Look wet. Alright guys, and that is it for this video. I don't know what to call this, so hopefully the title will be something good. Who knows? This is like look number 1 out of like 70 with this palette, so I'll probably be making a million more looks just because there's so many looks that I want to do with this. Looking at it, like, this is the palette. This is gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I will see you next time.